morning and welcome to Ed Foodie. I'm going to make a breakfast today. And I don't know if you've seen some of my older videos. I've done a lot of willet egg roll. And I thought, I've never really made breakfast egg rolls. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna make some breakfast egg rolls. So let's get started. Let's go to the stovetop. We're going to make our stuffing for the egg rolls first. Basically just a simple breakfast, scrambled eggs. Put all your favorite things in it, and then what we'll do with that then is stuff them in the egg roll and deep fry them. I've got my burner on. I'm going to put in just a little bit of olive oil, maybe 1 or 2 teaspoons. So what I like in my eggs, I'm going to put in, this was about a half of a small onion chopped, about a half of a green bell pepper chopped, and then optional, I've got a half of a jalapeño also chopped. All right, we're just gonna saute this for, 5 to 7 minutes till we get the onion and the peppers nice and soft. You could, put in, if you like mushrooms in your eggs or omelets. I also have about 3 bacon strips. I'm using turkey bacon, already cooked, and I've chopped it up. We'll add that in right at the end here. If you want to use sausage, that's good too. This is a variable recipe. While the peppers and onions are sauteing, I'm just going to I got 4 eggs. I'm gonna put them in a small bowl, whip them up good, put in about 2 tablespoons of heavy cream, get them a little nice and creamy. And about that time, we'll be able to pour them into our cooked vegetables. So I got my 4 eggs cracked here. We'll put in some salt and pepper. I like to use the coarse ground pepper. And like I said, I'm going to put in about 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. Let's whisk this up. Let's pour in our either 2 or 3 strips of bacon. We'll pour in our eggs. Cook until medium doneness. All right, let's start wrapping these egg rolls. Get your egg roll skins, and what I've done, I talked to Catherine, she said it's best to get them at room temperature. All right, my oil is hot. So you want to start here at a corner, come out a little bit, maybe an inch or 2. Put in your, so I use 2, pretty big spoonfuls. You want to get this down as far as you can. There we go. Pull up one of the, I'm going to put some cheese also. I got some Colby Jack grated cheese. And on some of these, if you want, I've got extra bacon here. You can put a slab of bacon on there to get extra meaty. All right, so take the corner, just enough to kind of cover it, and then start rolling. And then fold up the corners, and then just continue to roll. That way it won't leak out. I've got a little bit of water here. Just put it on the last corner, and that way it'll stick. And there we have it. My oil is hot. You don't really have to time this. When you see that egg roll wrapper getting kind of brown, then you'll know it's ready to go. Our mixture is already cooked and everything, so this is basically just warming it up a little bit and cooking the wrapper. All right, That was only maybe two minutes. Drip as much grease off as you can. I'm putting it on a paper towel lined plate. You can just see it's a little bit brown. I'll just do one or two more here, but you'll get the idea. With the cheese, you want to make sure you don't get that at the edges, so you don't want it leaking out. You fold it about halfway, and you fold the ends over. Finish rolling, put a little water on the end, and seal it. And what I'm going to do, I've got a choice of 3 sauces. Basically, I've got my hot sauce, salsa, some sour cream, and some guacamole. Yeah, that looks better. There we have it. Let's go try it.
Okay.
I'm guessing she will go for, yes, that's what I thought, the guacamole.
Avocado.
Ooh, crispy.
Very crispy. Good.
A little different take.
I love the eggs with bacon. That's good. I love it. Thank you.
So I'm gonna make a mess. My favorite is actually a mixture of sour cream and I'll do this first. Then I'll make a mess here. Great special breakfast. Pretty easy to make though. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to Dead Foodie right over there. Thank you for watching.